Um, Dear Diana, do you know how proud we are for you? Also, we really appreciate what you have done for family. You have very nice heart, and you work so hard. You study so hard. We just want to say, take a break sometimes for yourself.
Dear Diana, do you know how awesome you are? I mean, I wish I told you this more often because you deserve to hear it every single waking moment of the day, but you truly are. And this isn't simply because you choose to answer the most insane of our queries at hours that are just not times where people should be awake for you, or answering queries that I should have had answers to, but simply because you've always been there for us. You've never made us feel like we aren't a part of your family right from the day we joined you. The warmth and the happiness that you exude from the work that you do is not comparable to anything I've ever seen before. You inspire me to be a better person every single day, and you lead by example. I remember the day I sat down to become the head of the India chapter. It was around midnight your time, and you sat down for about an hour to explain to me the smallest steps to ensure that I had the smoothest transition, that I didn't forget to place myself first when it came to taking a break, when you realized that's something I don't tend to do. You've taught me to be kinder to myself. You've taught me so much that I know today about mental health in the ways you wouldn't even imagine. So thank you for being the person that you are and for inspiring us to do what we do every single day, knowing that even receiving a single letter is capable of making a change.
Do you know how much Letters to Strangers has taught me? Specifically, being able to talk to and to write about myself. It wasn't until I read 50 letters that I realized that perhaps there is someone who wants to hear my voice. Perhaps there is someone who could probably benefit off of it in some way. Every letter I read as a moderator of the Cupertino chapter made me realize how similar we all are and how much more we could appreciate ourselves only if we could find ourselves in someone else, if we could find ourselves in their stories and make it a part of our own. You inspire me to be better, to expand myself and my story as I place every other story and letter in the part of the contentment of my mind. Today, I can truly say that Letters to Strangers has been one of the best decisions of my life, and you are the passionate woman behind it that has made it all a reality. You have discovered powers that I didn't know existed, and I thank you for that.
Dear Diana, do you know that your inspiration has traveled far and deep into the hearts of many young adults with lived experience of mental health conditions and their family members and friends, whom are served by the 650 NAMI affiliates across the country? You have encouraged Asian American young men and women who may feel that they don't have a voice in the face of cultural and systemic hurdles in seeking help. Every day, through your work, you light up the day for someone, send a family onto the journey of healing, or even save a life. You inspire me to be creative and vulnerable in my own serving role. This holiday in the pandemic, my team at NAMI New Jersey's 4 multicultural programs will use the thoughtfully crafted letters that you and your team created to send love and care to the fellow immigrant families who are affected by mental illness, to let them know that they are not alone and that there is hope. So thank you and congratulations for this well-deserved award.
Do you know it's been almost 4 years now since I sent you that letter to try and join L2S? It feels like a lifetime of experiences have passed, and I've grown so much as a person because of your influence. I really wanted to take today to thank you for all the things that you've helped me to do and how you've helped me use L2S's platform to grow and achieve more than I ever could have on my own. Your persistence, dedication, and ability to continuously work has really inspired me, and it's something I have really always admired. You inspire me to go out there and make change in the world, no matter how big or small it is. I'm really glad that I got to work with you because you are a mind that's really once in a millennium. Thank you so much for all that you have helped me do. And I want to congratulate you once again on today, your successes in the past, and all the successes I know you will have in the future.
Do you know that you taught me that it's okay not to be okay? You taught me that my mental illness does not define me. You taught me not to be afraid. You taught me that I am strong, and you taught me that I am not alone. Through Letters to Strangers, you have allowed me to share my struggles with others and be part of the mission that you started. You have given me the opportunity to help others in their fight with mental illness, and for that I will forever be thankful. You have given a voice to those without one and provided a place for people to be themselves without fear of judgment. To see a young woman like you making extraordinary changes gives me hope that I too can make a change. Because of you, I know that my mental illness cannot hinder me from doing something amazing. You inspire me to keep going each day, to keep fighting, to care for others, to educate others, to be a better person every day, to advocate for the destigmatization of mental illness, and to push for quality mental health care for all. Seeing the impact you have made in so many people's lives inspires me to change the world, just as you have. You inspire me to speak out for mental health and bring attention that it needs. You inspire me to share my story and my truth with others and give support to those who need it. Thank you for being an inspiration to young women like me and giving us the hope that no matter what mental illness we struggle with, we can do anything we set our minds to.
Dear Diana Chow, you inspired us to accept that mental illness is there and it's real and it's affecting us. You inspired us to have the zeal to understand more about mental health. You inspired us to develop sympathy and empathy for other youth. You inspired us to have courage to be able to share and to talk about our mental disorders. Being inspired by your character and with your help, mentorship, and guidance, we are happy that we are also able to help many youth as volunteers at Letters to Strangers Plus Zimbabwe. Yours, Rutendo Nyananda from Zimbabwe.
Dear Diana, do you know how much you and Letters to Strangers means to me? Since I was bullied in the middle school, I've always known that I wanted to be a part of mental health education and mental health advocacy. But I felt like I was just a child, and I didn't think that someone who was my age could make a meaningful difference in a field that you seemingly need an MD to even participate in. But in this great stroke of luck, one day I was surfing the web and I came across an article about Letters to Strangers. And I knew that this was going to be the way that I was going to participate and make a real difference in my community. I mean, the idea of writing a letter in comfort, reaching out an empathetic hand to someone is so simple, yet so effective. So I nervously emailed you, Diana, and seeing if there was any way that I could possibly hop on this Letters to Strangers train. And you were so incredibly kind and nurturing to all of my thoughts and ideas. Without your guidance, I would never be able to have the confidence nor the platform to reach out to my local officials and become the advocate that I've always dreamed of being. And I would never be able to lead my small chapter of people to healthier minds and bodies. Diana, you inspire me to reach out to people even in the smallest ways. And you teach me that those small acts of kindness can be more effective than you could ever think possible. You show me that being young is not a detriment in any field, and young people can be the catalyst for real change, because young people are the only people who know how we think and how we feel. So thank you so much, Diana, for giving me such an amazing space to learn and grow for myself and to be able to help and teach others.
亲爱的小枣，我们为你感到自豪，因为你从16岁开始，一直就不要我们管你，而且很勇敢，一个人跑到欧洲去，开展你的事业。你现在做得非常棒，你在全世界有了几十个国家的队员和办事处。我们家乡听到你的这些信息，全家乡人都为你感到自豪。我们为有你这样的女儿感到荣幸和自豪，但是我们要对你说一句：你太辛苦了， 平时要注意休息，同时呢，还要不要带利息钱啊，该花的花，因为我们知道你为了你的事业付出了很多很多，但是你为了不给家里面增加负担，你非常节约，所以我们希望你该花则花啊，我们有能力有钱支持你，但是不希望你带那么辛苦，要注意休息，这是我们最大的希望。好，谢谢。